How to allow camera permissions on Chrome. If any day any of you are the Google Chrome user and you would like to allow the camera permission to your Google Chrome but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device. After that, you have to search Chrome out there. After you search Chrome out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very Chrome application. After you tap on the very Chrome application, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of app information. After you tap on the option of app information, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of notifications. After tapping on notification, you have to enable allow notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go back again and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permissions, you have to allow the permission to camera, location, microphone, music and audio, notifications, photos and videos. This is the most important step out there. After that, you can go back again and then go to the option of the browser app. After you tap on browser app, you have to set the default browser app to Chrome like this. After that, you can go back, and after going back, you have to go to the option of storage. After tapping on storage, if you see any of the cache out there, you have to go to the option of clear the cache and then go back again. Now go to the option of app details and store. After you tap on app details and store, now you can see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, you have to wait until you find the option of update. If you see the option of update in the Google Play Store, you can update your Chrome, but sometime what may happen is in the Google Chrome, you not find the very Google Chrome out there in the Google Play Store. So at that time in the Google Play Store, you can search manually the Google Chrome, and if you find the option of update, you have to update it and wait it until it reaches 100%, and after it reaches 100%, your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.